Hi guys, this is Evan from Origami for Cause, and today we are back to make another video. So we are going to make the Origami Magic Sword. This model only requires one sheet of 15 by 15 centimeter square paper. Anyways, let's begin. So our first step is to take this corner and fold it to this corner. And make the crease. Then we are going to unfold. Now we're going to take this corner and fold it to the middle. And we're going to do the same thing with this corner. So we're going to fold it to the middle like that. Now we're going to turn the model over and fold it like this. Make the crease. Now we're going to take this flap and fold it so this crease over here touches the center line. And then we're going to fold this down, take this point and fold it to the middle like this. So there we have a side. Now we're going to do the same thing with this. So we're going to flip this part down. Make sure this one is. Make the crease. Take up this flap. Make sure this can touch the middle. So we're just gonna go. And then we're gonna fold it down. Take this point, fold it to the middle. Now our next step is to turn the model. Now we're going to fold this side to the middle. And unfold. Then we're going to do the same thing with this. So we're going to fold it to the middle. Make the crease. And unfold. Now we're going to fold this model in half like this. So once again, this. Okay. Now we're going to unfold and fold it down. Like this. So you see a sort of triangular figure formed like that. From there, we're going to take this, fold it in half like this. So these two triangles can be cut in half. So when they're like this, now I'm going to take this part and try to fold it like this. You will see this pocket here forming. We will just press down on it like this. Then we're going to do the same thing with this. So we're going to fold it to the middle, and as we see this pocket forming, just press down on this pocket. Then we're going to fold it down like this, over this line like that. From here, we're going to take this bottom point and fold it inside of these two corner pieces here, like this. Now, we're going to turn the model over, take this part over here, and try to fold it to the middle. As we did before, there should be a pocket forming. And then you should crease on the pocket so that's like this. Now we're going to repeat the same step with this. Flap, so fold it to the middle, crease on this pocket. Now we're going to turn the model over. This is your origami magic sword. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!